This is a follow-up video on the E Schmeckenbecher spinning wheel clock. This is one that I worked on at my friend's house, and I told you that the wire that is inside the case, I didn't know which way to bend it. Well, I had a group member that has the same clock, and so they told us how to bend it. With it bent wrong, the cuckoo bounces in and out of the door as it's cuckooing. And so let me show you what happens when you bend that wire correctly. He's fixing to sell this clock, and she's doing her spinning wheel now. She's fixing to sell this clock on eBay if anybody's interested. In working order, perfect working order. And this is a very beautiful clock. So if you're interested, let me know, and maybe you and him can work out a deal. Beautiful clock. I'm glad he got it running. Sent me pictures. Here's the what is normally the cuckoo bird post, but this arm is bent and it's extremely long, and it goes in between these two wires here, and I didn't know how much space needed to be on those two wires, and so he got it. Like I said, we had a group member that had one like it, and sent me pictures, which I sent to my buddy, and he got it adjusted just perfectly. There's the movement overall. E Schmeckenbecher. You can tell it's an E Schmeckenbecher because of this section right here. This is what trips the music, and this is the only E Schmeckenbecher is the only company, to my knowledge, that did this.